Okay.
Okay, okay, bye.
It's raining. Anyways, I would say that I have to make a video right here because it's raining too much. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah, you could hear the noise. If you want to hear it louder, here it goes. Yeah, you heard it. So, yeah, probably a bad idea. ¿Qué pasa, Mara?
Me dijo un chiste.
Yes, my mom uh had had a joke from somebody. Okay, okay, okay. Well, my mom just did something to me. Boop. Uh, hi. Okay, sorry for the distraction from my mom. She had a joke and stuff like that. Yeah. Anyways, it's raining a lot, and it just started when we're going back home. Anyways, sooner or later, I'm gonna show my brother's car and probably get wet because the rain is gonna pour down on me like a really hot notification. Okay, I had to edit that out. Welcome to Stop. Oh my god.
See?
I better stop. Did you just? My mom just hit me.
Uh-huh.
Are you serious right now? Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna leave this episode right here. Sorry,
Uh-huh.
I'm just making too much episodes. Well, bye.